Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at 2 oils and a balm from Mountaineer Brand. We'll get into it right after the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, aka the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you're new, if this is your first time and you want to learn more about beard tips, beard advice, beard products, hiking, outdoor products, then you have come to the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so you're notified when I drop new content. Alright, so let's jump right into this. Alright, huge shout out to Mountaineer Brand for sending me some stuff. They reached out to me and asked if I'd be willing to test out some products for a review. So what they sent me was a few things. So this is actually going to be part 1 of a multiple part series for Mountaineer Brand. And so they sent me a couple oils and some balms and some other things, but we're going to be talking about 2 oils and a balm today. A little bit more about Mountaineer Brand. They started in 2013. They pride themselves on 100% natural products. So that's what they pride themselves on, 100% natural products. I'm sure you've seen this brand around, but this is their bottle of oil. This is one of the ones we'll be looking at today. It's kind of got that old-timey feel to it. This one is West Virginia timber, and ingredients are grapeseed oil, almond oil, castor seed oil, cedarwood oil, fir needle oil, eucalyptus, and eucalyptus leaf oil. Comes in a blue plastic bottle with the limiter top. Alright, so the other one we're going to look at is lime and sage. This is one of their newer products. Ingredients on this one's grapeseed oil, almond oil, castor seed oil, citrus, orange oil, lime oil, and sage, clary sage oil. And then the balm is in the West Virginia timber scent. So let's talk about this West Virginia timber in the oil first. Straight out of bottle, I get that fir, that woodsy, that just, it almost, you get that eucalyptus in there as well. It's not very high up on the list, but you get that eucalyptus. This beard oil, both of these, I wore each of these for a week, each one individually. Both of them felt amazing in my beard. Very light. They're on the lighter side oil. And we'll get a little bit of this. Comes out super easy with that limiter top. Almost faster than you want. Apply a little heat to it. You still get that eucalyptus, and it kind of takes over that fir, in my opinion. I like this. This is not going to be a scent for everybody. I'll go ahead and tell you, it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but to me, I like it. It's woodsy, it's earthy, and it just smells really good. But if you don't like the woodsy type scents, you're not going to like this. Don't waste your money. But if you do like the woodsy kind of scents and the eucalyptus, if you're not a fan of eucalyptus, then again, you're not going to like this one. But I like it. The balm smells the same, just a little bit more subtle. It's not as strong, it's not as potent as the oil. It's a little bit subtle, but the balm consistency, it's smooth. This is kind of one of those conditioning balms that I've talked about, and we'll get just a little bit, and it emulsifies almost instantly. So now this one, it's pretty close to the same. This one you get a little bit more of that fir. than you do the eucalyptus. I didn't talk about the ingredients in this one. Our ingredients on the balm is grapeseed oil, almond oil, beeswax, shea butter, cocoa seed butter, coconut oil, tocopherol, vitamin E, cedarwood oil, fir needle oil, eucalyptus oil. So it's kind of the same scent, but it's a little bit more on the fir is what I pick up. But it's a good conditioning balm. I've wore this at night and it did really well. Softened my beard all night, and it comes in the tin, the pop top. What I didn't say, these come in a 2 ounce. Their oil comes in a 2 ounce bottle, and their balm comes also in a 2 ounce tin. Now to the star of the show, lime and sage. This oil, I wasn't sure if I would like it with the name. Out of bottle you get that sage, and it's kind of a peppery, just, you get that sage. Let's see how much of that I still got on there. Alright, so let's go with a little bit of this. Both of their oils are about the same consistency. I would classify them as a lighter oil. When you warm this up, that lime and that sage blend together, and it is unique, and it's pretty amazing. This smells so good. So for me, I would recommend either one, but if you're not a fan of the woodsy scents, then I wouldn't go with the West Virginia timber, but I would definitely recommend giving the lime and sage a try. Now the scent lasted for these, the timber scent lasted majority of the day, so 6 to 8 hours. The lime and sage, because of that citrus in there, it wore out probably 4-ish hours it wore out, but it was still really good. It felt really good in beard. And I'm gonna recommend Mountaineer Brand. My pick would be the lime and the sage. However, if you like the woodsy scents, then you can give this one a try. If you like the woodsy scents with a little bit of that eucalyptus, then go with that West Virginia timber. Now they have a bunch of, this is kind of their signature scent. They have a bunch of their products in this scent. So if you like this, then you've got a whole gamut of stuff that you can pick up from Mountaineer Brand. Alright guys, well, I will drop links in the description below for Mountaineer Brand. You can check them out, make a decision for yourself. I can't remember the pricing right off the top of my head, so go check them out. I'll drop links to all their information, all their sites where you can go check them out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click on my logo right there, as well as some videos up top. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.